In today's video, we're going to talk about how to start an Amazon FBA LLC step by step so you can set your business up the right way from day one. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been looking into Amazon FBA and thinking about selling products online, but you're not sure how to handle the business side or whether you actually need an LLC, this is something we are going to dive into. Just a quick heads up before we get into it, some of the companies we feature in this video, including Bizee, we do have a relationship with, and we may earn a small referral fee if you do choose to use our links down below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and it just really helps support the channel so we can keep making free content just like this. Okay, now let's get to it. So a lot of people go straight into product research and sourcing without setting up the foundation first. Then they later run into issues with payments, taxes, or account setup, and it just slows everything down. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how Amazon FBA works, why an LLC matters, and how to set everything up properly using Bizee so you're not just trying to figure out everything as you go. Okay, so let's get into it. So first off, Amazon FBA is a business model where you sell physical products on Amazon, and then Amazon handles the storage, shipping, and customer service. Instead of shipping products yourself, you send your inventory to Amazon's warehouses. When someone places an order, Amazon picks, packs, and ships the product for you. They also handle returns and most of the customer support. This is what makes this model so appealing. You're not managing logistics day to day, you're focused on choosing the right product, getting it listed, and driving sales. But even though Amazon handles fulfillment, you're still running a business. You're receiving income, paying for inventory, and managing expenses. And that's why your business structure matters. An LLC gives you a legal structure that separates your personal finances from your business. It also helps you stay organized and just makes things easier when it comes to taxes and payments. Bizee helps you set up the structure without needing to go through the process manually. So instead of trying to understand state filings and paperwork on your own, it walks you through forming your LLC correctly. One of the biggest parts of Amazon FBA is automation on the fulfillment side. Once your products are in Amazon's warehouse, they handle your order process for you. This just allows you to scale without having to deal with shipping every order yourself. Another feature is access to Amazon's customer base. You're listing your products on a platform that already has millions of buyers searching every single day. You're not building traffic from scratch. There's also scalability. Once you find a product that works, you can increase inventory and grow without changing your entire system. Now, on the business side, forming an LLC is going to give you structure. It separates your finances, which is really important as soon as money starts coming in. It also creates a cleaner setup for taxes, so instead of mixing personal and business transactions, everything is organized in one place. Using a service like Bizee just simplifies the whole setup process. Instead of going through multiple steps across different websites, you're guided through forming your LLC and getting everything in place. Now, why setting up an LLC matters for Amazon FBA. This is where a lot of people either skip steps or just get confused. So technically you can start selling on Amazon without an LLC, but the moment you start making money, things change. You're now dealing with income, expenses, and potential risk. If everything is under your personal name, it can get messy very quickly. An LLC helps separate that. It creates a boundary between you and your business. It also makes it easier to open a business bank account, track your finances, and stay organized as you grow. Another thing to consider is long-term growth. If you plan on building this into something bigger, having a proper structure from the beginning makes everything easier later on. Okay, now here's how to do this step by step. Again, I highly recommend doing this with Bizee. It's going to make your life so much easier. Again, all you have to do is click that link down below and it'll walk you through step by step. So step number 1 is to choose your business name and form your LLC. You want something that's simple and flexible. It doesn't need to match your product exactly because you may expand or change products later. Once you have your name, you form your LLC. So using Bizee, you'll go through a guided process where you enter your business information and file your formation documents with your state. Once approved, your LLC officially exists. This is the foundation of your business. So again, once you click that link down below, you'll go ahead and click Start My Business. From here, you'll go ahead and select LLC, and then you can go ahead and select the state that you're in. They have a couple different options here to get started. They've got the basic plan, which is $0. So again, they completely prepare filing, the articles of organization, first year registered agent service is free, first month of virtual address service is free. You do have to pay the state fee. They don't pay that for you, so just something to keep in mind. Again, that depends on which state you're in. And then you can add some other things like business contract templates, EIN, business tax number, which we're about to talk about, and so much more. So as soon as you select the plan that you would like, then you click Get Started and you go ahead and enter in your LLC name. Then you'll click Next. Then you can go ahead and select if you want 3 weeks filing time, or if you wanted it faster, you could do that. Then you'll enter in your name, your first name, your last name, your email, and your mobile phone number. Then you'll click next. Then you'll enter in your address and then follow a couple more steps. Now, step number 2 is to get your EIN and set up your business finances. So after your LLC is formed, you'll need an EIN. Again, this is an add-on, but you can get this set up through Bizee. So this is required for opening a business bank account and handling taxes. So once you have that, open a business bank account. This step is really important because it separates your personal and your business finances. All income from Amazon should go into this account, and all business expenses should come out of it. This keeps everything clean and makes it easier to track your numbers. Step number 3 is to create your Amazon seller account. So now you're ready to set that up. This is where you'll list your products and manage your business on Amazon. When setting this up, you'll use your business information from your LLC, including your EIN and business bank account. Amazon will verify your identity and your business before you can actually start selling. Once your account is approved, you are ready to move forward. Okay, so step number 4 is to choose your product and source inventory. This is where the business side meets the product side. So you'll choose a product to sell based on demand, competition, and pricing. Then you'll find a supplier who can produce that product. Once your inventory is ready, you'll send it to Amazon's warehouse so it can be fulfilled through FBA. This is the part most people focus on, but it only works smoothly if your business structure is already in place. Step number 5 is to set up your listing and go ahead and start selling. Once your inventory is at Amazon, you'll create the product listing. This includes your product, title, description, images, and pricing. So when someone purchases your product, Amazon handles the rest. You don't need to manage shipping or customer service directly. At this point, your business is running, but your structure behind the scenes is what keeps everything organized. So step number 6 is to stay organized and manage your finances. So once sales start coming in, this is where having an LLC really starts to matter. You'll track your income, expenses, and profit through your business bank account. You'll also need to think about taxes and staying compliant. This doesn't mean overcomplicating things, but it does mean staying consistent. The goal is to build something that runs smoothly, not something you have to fix later. Now I want to touch on some pros and cons. So one of the biggest advantages of having an LLC adds structure and organization, which becomes more important as your business grows. On the downside, there are upfront costs, of course, and there is a bit of a learning curve when it comes to going ahead and processing your LLC. But again, Bizee makes it so much easier. They walk you through the process. So again, the price depends on your state fee, but let's just say you're in Arizona. Again, the basic plan is $0 plus the $87 state fee. The standard is $199 plus the state fee. So this gets it done in 4 weeks. You'll get everything in the basic plan, like filing everything, but you'll also get your EIN, business tax number, an operating agreement, and then things like lifetime compliance alerts, unlimited phone and email support. Then they've got the premium plan, which is $299 plus whatever your state fee is. So again, Arizona would be $87. You get everything in the standard plan, but you get domain name and business email, free first year business phone number, and even more. So you get all of this included within the premium plan. Now let's talk about some bonus tips to make this work even better. One of the biggest things that will help you long term is choosing a business name that gives you flexibility. A lot of people name their LLC after one product, and then later they kind of feel stuck when they want to expand. Keeping it broad allows you to grow without needing to restructure. Another tip is to treat your finances seriously from the beginning. Even if you're just starting, track your expenses and income clearly. This will make everything easier as your business grows. You also want to avoid rushing product decisions. A lot of people jump into the first idea that they have, but taking a little more time to understand demand and competition can save you from bigger problems later. It also helps to think about your business as a system, not just a product. The product matters, but your structure, your finances, and your consistency are what actually allow you to scale. And finally, don't wait until things get complicated to get organized. Setting things up properly from the beginning gives you a smoother path forward. This setup makes sense if you're serious about starting an Amazon FBA business and want to do it in a structured way. If you're just testing ideas and not sure if you'll stick with it, you may not need to go ahead and form your LLC right away. But if your goal is to build something long-term, having the right foundation in place is going to make a massive difference. I know how overwhelming it can feel trying to figure out both the business side and the product side at the same time. It can feel like there are too many moving pieces, and that's what causes people to delay getting started. But if you want to go ahead and check out Bizee, we do have that exclusive link in the description below. Again, I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping founders find tools to build smarter and faster without the overwhelm. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.